When working with my industrial clients, my objective is always to make their business more successful. And I often ask myself, how do I empower my clients to get new revenue streams through disruptive business models? The answer lies with how manufacturers can leverage technology to provide a frictionless user experience to their customers. Connected products enable companies to move from one-off transactions to everything as a service. With deep marketing insights on how connected products are being used, companies can build better products and services that improve user satisfaction levels. At SoftServe, we use data science and machine learning to improve end-user experience by turning vast amount of data into actionable insights. With a value stream, design thinking approach, we iteratively create solutions that are human-centric. Consumers and businesses alike already embrace the many benefits of subscription-based models. Perhaps it's time you incorporate everything as a service into your roadmap. What's next in your digital transformation journey?